Let's take a quick look at how to add services to your Google Business profile so that when somebody's looking for the services you offer, they can actually find you, right? Now, first things first, you're going to want to log into your Google Business profile. So I'm logged in with my email in the top right. That email is associated with my listing. So when I do a search for this business name, you can see it says your business on Google. It shows the business here and says you manage this business profile. So we know that we are able to manage this profile from here and that we have access to it and everything. Now, if we go over here on the left hand side to where it says edit services, this is going to pop open a window, or it's going to give us the ability to make some adjustments to the services that we have listed here. It's saying basically that it changed some of the services based on customer feedback. But if we want to edit these, I'm just going to click the little edit button here. Maybe we do offer like weed control and yard work and mulching and grass seeding and sod installation, lawn mowing and maintenance, irrigation systems. Maybe we even take care of lawn pests, but we don't do landscaping and fencing. We can also add in some custom services here too, but the idea being that you want it to be as exhaustive as possible. We'll go ahead and save this real quick, and it's going to take some time, up to a day, for this to publish. But once it does, we can then see all of the different services that we have listed. Now, you may have some different categories, so you can technically add another category, like maybe you do plumbing, but then you also do AC and HVAC or something, right? Where you're a business that kind of serves two industries that are very closely related. Sometimes that can be helpful to be able to list both sets of your services. But then from there, we just basically hang out, give it some time, and then we can come back and double check and see, just refresh the page, and see if it actually did update those services for us. So it's still pending here. I'm going to give it a little bit of time and let it do its thing, and then it should publish those, and then we have officially added our services to our Google Business profile. I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with SEO anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below. And we do provide SEO for different businesses in different industries. And you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.